What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to another workout. I hope you all had a wonderful and safe Christmas and New Year's holiday. Today we're gonna be taking it nice and easy to get ourselves back into a good routine. I've got a lightweight HIIT workout for us, 4 exercises, no equipment needed, just body weight. We're gonna be needing our yoga mat, so go ahead and grab that. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into the workout. Getting started with reverse to side lunges, you're going to keep one of your legs stagnant in the same position. We're going to go ahead and lunge back using that opposite leg, and then go ahead and take a side lunge after that. So lunge back, come forward, lunge side. Keep your back straight, lean forward a little bit. It's a regular lunge, so make sure that your knee doesn't come over your toe, the one that's stagnant, and when you go back, make sure your knee doesn't hit the ground, okay? We got 3 sets of 10 on each side. Let's get it. No breaks here, go ahead and switch to the opposite side. Great job, you guys. Give yourself a 15-second rest. Take a little water break. Moving into set 2, I like to take these ones slow just because it can be hard to find your balance, especially when you're coming in from that side lunge. You can kind of tip over, so take it nice and slow. Keep your core engaged, keep your back nice and straight. We've got 2 more sets. No breaks here, go ahead and switch to the opposite side. Go ahead and give yourself a 15-second rest. Oh, I was just sniffing my pine tree or pine cone. No, Christmas tree, whatever. It's the same thing. It smells good, but it's kind of dry now. All right, last set, you guys, last 10. No breaks here, go ahead and switch to the opposite side. Great job. Go ahead and give yourself a 15 to 30 second rest. Moving into moving into quadruped leg extensions. I almost died there. Coming into the plank position, like an up plank position, you're going to go ahead and lift both of your legs off the ground, and then we're going to extend one all the way back like a donkey kick, but in midair, you know what I mean? Keep your back nice and straight, keep your core nice and tight. We've got 3 sets of 10 on each side. Let's get it. No breaks here, go ahead and switch sides. Go ahead and give yourself a 15-second rest. Getting started on set 2. Move nice and slow if you have to. Like I said, don't forget to keep that core engaged and your back nice and straight. If this makes your arms tired, take it slow. But you really want to kick your leg up as high as you can. Get that blood pumping in those legs. It's a good booty workout too. No breaks here, you guys. Go ahead and switch sides. It's break time, so give yourself a 15-second rest. All right, guys, this is our last set. We got 10 more on each side. Don't quit. You got this. No breaks here, you guys. Last 10. Great job. Go ahead and give yourself a 15 to 30 second rest. Next up, we have shoulder taps coming into the plank position, but off the ground. Extended plank position, I suppose, because the arms are extended. Anyway, you're gonna go ahead and get in that plank position. Try to keep your body as still as possible, and then tap your shoulders side to side. Flex that core, keep your back nice and straight, and tuck your butt in. We've got 3 sets. Let's get it. Give yourself a 15-second rest. Moving into set 2, make sure you're keeping your butt tucked in and try not to rock as much as possible. It can be tough because you're shifting sides and hands, but you really want to keep it as solid as possible. Flex that core. We've got one more set after this one. Give yourself a 15-second rest. All right, guys, last set, let's get it. Nice job. Give yourself a 15 to 30-second rest. Coming down on the mat, we're going to do some knee tuck hip bridges. So put your arms on the mat for stability and kind of prop yourself up with those bad boys. Keep your back nice and straight and flex that core. And we're going to kick those legs up as far as you can. Try to touch your knees to your boobs. That would be the best way to do it. So guys to pecs, girls to boobs, really try to get them up there. This is working that lower ab area as well as your legs and your glutes. So let's get it.
Oh, I won't be so cold like I was before.
Great job. Give yourself a 15-second rest.
Find a way back from the rain and the storm, and I will form a picture of my future painted in gold.
Moving into set 2, don't forget to get those knees up, you guys. Kick them up there, high knees, kind of.
I need some time to be okay.
Last break, give yourself a 15-second rest. All right, you guys, last set, let's get it, last 20. Keep your form nice and tight, keep your core nice and tight. Try not to move your hip region, just kick those legs up. Try to keep everything else pretty still. Breathe through your nose. Don't forget to breathe, you guys. Sometimes I don't breathe, I'll be holding in my breath and it's just like, it's not effective.
And time ain't got no reason when you're lost and alone. Show me.
Great job today, you guys. Let me know what you think about these exercises in the comments down below. Also, when should I throw my Christmas tree out? Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.